I'm gonna show you how to delete coming soon page on your GoDaddy website. So to get started, go to your GoDaddy website or GoDaddy account, and then from there you just have to click on your account right here and then go to my products. And then from my products, you will see that your store right here. You just have to click on it, and then once you click on it, you will see a edit website on the right side of the screen. So you just have to click on edit website. So there are options why the coming soon page is showing on your website. It's either it's not published yet, or you just have to delete it. So from here, you just have to delete it by go to the select page and then go to the three dots right above the corner. So from here, just have to click on here and then just click on this one and then delete section. So from there, you just have to delete this one, and then once you delete it, you just have to publish and then wait for it to save, and then that's it. That's how you delete the coming soon page on your GoDaddy website.